Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your live store. Duplicate the theme now so you can revert if needed. Once duplicated, open Online Store, find the copied theme, and choose Actions, then Edit Code. This gives you direct access to CSS files and theme. Liquid Head. Make sure to work on the duplicate, never edit live. The reason is simple. A small typo can break page layout. By editing code, you gain precise control over typography that Theme Editor cannot always provide. You will now create a targeted CSS override so text increases only where you want. Open Assets and find Theme. CSS or Theme, SCSS. Liquid, if none, create a new asset named Custom Overrides, CSS, and include it in Theme. Liquid Head. Add a rule like Body Font Size 18px or Product Description Font Size 125 rem. Using rem keeps scale consistent. Once added, save and preview. This direct CSS approach is the reliable way to finish by testing thoroughly. Clear your cache, then open several pages on desktop and mobile to confirm sizes. If you need finer control, use browser dev tools to edit font size live, note the final values, then paste them into your CSS file. Make sure your override uses equal or higher specificity. Add, important only when necessary. If changes don't appear, verify the file is included in theme. Liquid, and purge any CDN or app caches. That single check usually fixes invisible updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.